In WordPress, list view and contextual view refer to how content is displayed in the admin dashboard, and how you can organize and view content such as posts, pages, and custom post types. By default, WordPress uses a list view for managing posts and pages, but you can enable or customize contextual views depending on your needs. Here's how to allow or adjust these views. Enable list view for posts or pages. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to Posts, All Posts. By default, WordPress displays a list of your content, which shows all posts or pages in a table format with columns like title, date, categories, and other. If you want to display additional information, you can customize this view by clicking on Screen Options and selecting which columns to display. Enable Contextual View. Contextual views offer a more detailed or categorized view of posts or pages. To enable this, you can use a plugin like Admin Columns to customize how you view posts and pages. Install Admin Columns via plugins Add New. After activating, go to Settings, Admin Columns. Customize the display by adding, removing, or reordering columns based on content needs. Use the WordPress block editor for contextual views. If you're working within a page or post, you can use the block editor to get a contextual view of your content. Blocks help organize and manage different elements of the page. You can reorder blocks and provide additional context.